What's going on, guys? It's Batman DYT here. Today we're doing the first ever build off. That's why I said the first ever build off with first contestant. Happy Friday, G. And second, YT Minecrafter 1. So, I did this. So, we gonna build a bird. Yo! Okay. So let's see how YT Minecrafter is doing. To the left we have Happy Friday. To the right we have Minecrafter. Who is gonna win? Yeah. Let's see what they're building. Hmm. What is this? Uh. 5 minutes left. Don't do that. 4 stars. Sorry, guys. What is this? I'm kind of rocking the bird leg, though. This right here. I'm just gonna put subscribe to Minecrafter. Oh yeah, I'll leave his channel in the link in the description. Okay. They look like forks. I think it's past 4 minutes. Okay, they have 4 minutes remain. Looks like Minecrafter has it all in. They should have built Chica. Looking cool, looking cool. Looking good. Looking good. What does that make no sense? Okay, so dang. He's going full steel chicken. So he's going with the bird, and he's. Ooh, Ooh, I kind of like this. And it's past 5 minutes. 3 minutes. I'm using this thing right there. Wow. Finish in 10 seconds. Oh. What? So now, 2 minutes. Oh, perfect. So yeah, I have no idea. So they have, and it's gonna be 10 seconds left. 3, 4, 5. Using the timer. Stop. Let's let the fans decide. So yeah, guys, please comment down who won. Happy Friday or Minecrafter. So that's it for this build battle. So that's it for this first episode of Build Battle. Please leave about, let's see, 5 likes. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye.